Hey guys, what's happening? How to basically use shortcuts to save time on iOS. So one of the ways that you can do that, you can go ahead to your shortcuts app and just click the plus button at the top right and select the tasks that you want. Let's say for example, you want to send a message. So I'm gonna send the message to recipient, let's say for example, mom, right? So I'm gonna hit mom. And if I wanted to add more than one person, you can do that. Please feel free to do that. And then just go and search for actions if you want to replace that, right? Or you can just select controls to, shut down, set volume up or down, or turn off your iPhone or whatever, right? So in my case, I'm gonna stay on the send messages, right? And the recipient is mom. So I'm gonna just hit done at the top or save, and I'm gonna just go ahead and click the shortcut, and now I'm gonna be able to send a message to my mom. Okay, another way of doing or accessing or making your life easier with shortcuts, you could go ahead to the settings, right? And we're gonna access the accessibility, right? And then hit touch, scroll all the way down to the back tab. You can double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. You could turn this one on, right, to open an app, camera, flashlight, or basically execute an order, right? So you can just go ahead and select the option for that, okay? And also the text replacement, you can stay on the main settings, go to the general, scroll a little bit down to the keyboard, click, and then you're gonna go ahead to the text replacement, and that basically tells that if you if you want to type in something and that something is an replacement or stands for something else, you can go ahead and hit the plus button at the top right and add that phrase. Okay, and you're gonna be able to see the shortcut, and you're gonna be able to add the shortcut for that phrase, and you're gonna be able to, whenever you type something of that and you add that phrase, you're gonna be able to see the shortcut for that specific phrase. Okay, also you have the Siri shortcut, right? You can use shortcut app to click the plus button right here to basically dismiss Siri or and continue, right? So you could go ahead and do that and then hit play to see that the demand is being fulfilled, right? And obviously you have the spotlight search. You can swipe down to your home screen, right, and search for anything, right, and find any app quickly. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.